Uh-oh. Hey, and welcome to Trains Are Fun. It's time for another train video. Hey, Thomas. In this video, we're going to be looking at some N-scale Thomas and Friends items. And we got a new one to show you. Well, it's not new. It's new to us. And it will complete out our collection of Thomas and Friends N-scale. So this package comes from Japan. eBay had 15% off deal. And this is one of the things that I took advantage of to get something that we were missing. It's this one. Oh, look at that. They put a nice note in there. Mikiko. Thank you for purchasing the Thomas and Friends 2-car set from us. Oh, nice. Used a day out with Thomas stationery there. Pretty cool. So this is it. A troublesome truck and the Sodor Fuel car, which I was missing. So this is the packaging. 93804. And there's all the printing in Japanese. Tomix. 2003. Wow. Nice. They look like they're really good condition, like they're brand new. Awesome. See, there's this troublesome truck. Here is the one from the James set. So it is totally different. That is great. I did not realize it was a different troublesome truck. So I'm glad to get that. Awesome. So I thought, okay, I'm getting the Sodor Fuel car, which definitely didn't have a tank car in N-scale, but now we got an additional troublesome truck. I think, yeah, look at that. They're different. Awesome. So we'll have Thomas pull our new freight cars that we got. Let's go, Thomas. Nice. Uh-oh, oh no. Oh, you left the cars. I just got these, Thomas. Let's try that again. Oh, it does not like that intersection there. Let's try it the other way. Don't derail! Oh! Let's try it on the other track. Let's try it on the other track. Why is it not moving? I hope it works this time. Nice. Doing a good job, Percy. Uh-oh. Alright, so I'm rather pleased with this old set. Sodor Fuel car and the troublesome truck. Nice. Glad to get a different troublesome truck. So, not a bad set to get. Very hard to find these days, though. Very, very hard to find. Do you want to see the rest of our N-scale Thomas and Friends that we have? So here's some of our, or actually all of the Thomas & Friends in scale. This will not include the narrow gauge, which is also technically in scale, runs on in scale track, but it's HO scale. But anyway, we got Henry with a coach. I would love to get some extra coaches. I would like to have 2 extra coaches for Henry there. Very hard to find those. Here is Percy with the Sodor mail van. We have this one, the James, with 2 troublesome trucks. And this James, he is in bad shape. Doesn't work his front wheels, so we ended up getting the new version of James. It's actually the same set, just repackaged. And this one works pretty good. Same 2 troublesome trucks as in this one. The Percy was in this set with Scruff. I think, was it this box? Oh no, I don't remember which box it was. And then we got this one. There's our extra James, Annie and Clarabelle. And this Tomix, which is more of a display piece, which is this Japanese train with Thomas & Friends logos all over it. So thanks for watching this video, an in-scale collection type of video. We do have other in-scale items, and again, we also have the narrow gauge Thomas & Friends. But so happy to finally get this missing piece for our collection. Tell me what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next video. Trains are fun.